All right, guys, here it is. I told you I was done with GoPro. I'm done with GoPro. So, Insta, this is a 360 camera, meaning I can just record and then I can go back and scroll through it and pick what images from any angle that I want to use in my videos. So, I couldn't really afford this, but you know how it is with motorcycle stuff. A little creative accounting and a whole lot of rationalization, and we can usually figure a way to buy what we want. You know what I'm talking about. But anyways, this rig right here, no, in all seriousness, I was able to afford this, but this is my only purchase that I can have for the year. I'm done. So this was $760 all told. Just the camera is $542, I think it was, at Best Buy. And then the motorcycle bundle has all the connections I need to hook up to the bike. That was $49. And then the invisible stick was 20 something dollars. And then of course you got to have your memory cards. I needed one for another thing, so that doesn't count in this price, but $35 for the memory card. So yeah, you're talking about a little bit of money, and but I think it's all going to be worth it. It has 3 times the battery life. Well, I don't know if it's actually 3 times, but the GoPro has 60 minutes if you're lucky. It usually averages out to be about 40-45 minutes of record time if it decides to keep recording, which is the whole reason I am fed up with these things. What else? Oh yeah, these are 186 minutes, I believe, battery time. And 8K, guys. Get up here. 8K, 360 action cam. I cannot wait to get out and make some videos with this thing. 8K, that's insane. So, that's the bundle. And I'm going to get the camera set up and I'll open it up and go through and we'll see what all comes in this and everything. So give me a minute.